How to publish and make money from your AI tools on AI Helper Tools. In today's digital world, the demand for AI tools is growing rapidly. If you're a developer, entrepreneur, or business owner, publishing your AI tools on AI Helper Tools is a great way to get your creations in front of users and earn money. AI Helper Tools offers an easy platform for developers to upload, showcase, and monetize their AI tools. This guide walks you through the process from creating your tool to promoting it effectively. Step E. Create and develop your AI tool. Before publishing, you need a functional tool that attracts users. Here's how to build one. Identify a need. Choose a problem your AI tool will solve. Ensure quality. Test your tool thoroughly to ensure reliability and functionality. Step R. Register on AI Helper Tools. Create a developer account on AI Helper Tools. It's a quick process that will allow you to upload and manage your tool on the platform. Step 3. Upload and showcase your AI tool. Once registered, you can upload your AI tool. Include the following details. Tool name. Choose a clear, descriptive name. Description. Provide a concise summary of what your tool does. Features. Highlight key features that set your tool apart. Include visuals, screenshots, or videos to showcase your tool in action. Step 4. Submit your tool in free modes. When publishing your tool, you can choose from free monetization modes. E. Free mode. Free mode allows users to access your tool at no charge. This mode is ideal for building a user base and getting feedback. Pros. Fast user growth, high exposure. Best for new tools, developers looking to build brand awareness. R. Subscription mode. In subscription mode, users pay a fixed monthly or yearly fee to access your tool. This is best for tools that require ongoing updates or long-term services. Pros. Steady income stream, ideal for tools that need regular updates. Best for analytics tools, content generation tools, etc. 3. Pay-per-use mode. With pay-per-use, users pay based on usage, either by frequency or amount of resources consumed. This mode is great for tools that are used intermittently. Pros. Users pay only for what they use, ideal for one-time tasks or occasional use. Best for image processing, video editing tools, or any tool requiring periodic use. Conclusion. Publishing and monetizing AI tools on AI Helper Tools is a great way to showcase your work, attract users, and generate income. By following these steps: creating, uploading, choosing a monetization model, promoting, and optimizing, you can build a profitable AI tool business.